5 Easy Ways to Mine Crypto. Number 1. CPU mining. Use computer's CPU for select cryptocurrencies. Less profitable due to ASICs. Still relevant for newer coins or early stages. Accessible to beginners. Number 2. Cloud mining. Rent hash power remotely. Easy entry but beware of scams. Consider contract terms and fees. May not always be the most profitable option. Number 3. GPU mining. Build a mining rig with graphics processing units. Effective for Ethereum and similar coins. Requires hardware setup but can be profitable. Number 4. Mining pools. Combine resources with others. Increases chances of success and reduces variance in rewards. Choose pools carefully based on fees and reputation. Number 5. ASIC mining. Utilize specialized hardware for specific algorithms. Efficient but costly and limited to certain cryptocurrencies. Requires significant upfront investment. Thank you for watching. For more professional tips on easy ways to make money online, remember to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us.